Welcome to our show-off lighting LED case light instructional video. We will be outfitting this case with both our dual and single option. What comes in the box? Your AC adapter, cords, and suction cup clips. Your standard mounting clips and your LED case light. And the dual kit includes your AC adapter, cords, suction, and mounting clips. And of course the LED case lights and that Y adapter. Find a good mounting position for your LED case light. Make sure to position the mounts at each end of the LED light. Now attach your case light, give it a good push, and snap and secure it into place. For this case, we'll be mounting the light on the outside of the glass, so position your suction cups so they melt to the lens. Now you can stick the light to the clean surface. This will give you a good 45-degree angle of light shining inward on your cases. Now you can plug both of the case lights directly into the Y adapter. Plug the AC adapters directly into the power source and route your wires accordingly. And then, don't forget to plug in the lights. The industry-leading portable lighting solution. Get lit at showofflighting.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.